Have a good day to everyone. Magandang araw sa lahat. For today's video is all about basic and simple English Tagalog translation. English, airplane, affair, affect, affiliate, affirm, afford, afraid, after. Tagalog, eroplano, karanasan, makaapikto, umanib, panindigan, makaya, takot, pagkatapos. English, airplane, 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 Tagalog, eroplano, 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 affair, 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 karanasan, 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 affect, 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 makaapekto, 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 affiliate, 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 umanib, 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 affirm, 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 panindigan, 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 afford, 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 makaya, 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 afraid, 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 takot, 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 after, 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 pagkatapos, pagkatapos, pagkatapos. These are video for today. Thank you for watching.